The worth of wealth. Once upon a time, there was a very poor man named Sagat. He and his family lived in poverty. They had no money, no food, and their house was falling down. One day, Sagat was exhausted and starving, so he sat down at the side of the road. He fell asleep, and as he slept, he dreamed. In his dream, he saw an old man with a long white beard. The man told him, "Wake up! Go to the abandoned house near where you are sleeping. Dig under the floor in front of the fireplace, and you will find a magic purse. Every time you open and close the purse, a gold coin will appear inside. But remember, only a contented man can have an eternal feast." Sagat woke up and ran at once to the old house. He dug in the ground where the old man in his dream had told him to. As he dug, he said to himself, "If I find one gold coin, I'll buy myself a big meal. If I find 2 gold coins, I'll buy food for my whole family. If I find 3 gold coins, I'll buy my wife a new dress." Sagat found the purse. He opened it. Inside there was 1 gold coin. He closed it and opened it. 2 gold coins. Again he closed the purse and opened it. 3 gold coins. Sagat laughed. He thought of the fine clothes he would buy and the enormous palace he would build. He would be richer than a prince. He opened and closed the purse 100 times. He forgot about his hunger. He opened and closed it 100 times more. He forgot about his family. For 2 weeks he sat on the floor of the old house, opening and closing the purse, until his body was so tired and hungry that his heart stopped. Sagat didn't listen to the man in his dream, and he paid a great price. He should have known that in the end, the person who counts gold dies of hunger.